If you're seeing the err_connection_refuses error in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try to get back online fast. This error usually means Chrome can't connect to the website you're trying to open, but the good news is that the problem is often easy to solve. We'll go through the steps one by one, so you can figure out whether the issue is with the website, your browser, or your internet connection. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, test the website. Open a different site like Google or Wikipedia and see if it loads properly. If other websites open normally, then the problem is probably with the specific website you were trying to visit. That means the site may be down, temporarily blocked, or having a server issue. But if no websites load at all, then the problem is more likely with your internet connection itself. At that point, you'll want to move on to the next step and check your router. Now, restart your router. This is one of the easiest fixes, and it solves a lot of connection problems. To do this, unplug your Wi-Fi router from the wall or power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully restart and reconnect. Once your internet is back, go back to Chrome and try loading the website again. In many cases, a simple router restart is all it takes to clear up a temporary connection issue. If the error is still happening, the next thing to try is clearing your browsing data. Over time, Chrome stores cookies and cached files that can sometimes cause connection problems or conflict with the website's loading process. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data, and choose All Time from the time range. Then make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Delete Data. Once the process finishes, restart Chrome and test the website again. This step can often fix stubborn browser-related errors. Next, disable your Chrome extensions. Sometimes an extension blocks part of a website or interferes with how Chrome connects to certain pages. To check this, click the three-dot menu, choose Extensions, and turn them off one by one. After disabling each extension, try reloading the website to see if the error disappears. If the site starts working after turning off a certain extension, then you've found the cause. At that point, you can leave it disabled or remove it completely if you don't need it. If none of those steps worked, the final fix is to flush your DNS cache. DNS stores information that helps your computer find websites, but sometimes that information becomes outdated or corrupted. On Windows, open the Start menu. Type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the window, reopen Chrome, and try the site again. This can clear out old network data and help Chrome connect properly. So to quickly recap, first test whether the issue is just one website or your whole connection. Then restart your router, clear your browsing data, disable extensions and flush your DNS cache if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the err_connection_refused error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.